Good day, everyone. I am Roland Argilles.
And I'm Abel Briones Ines.
And April J. Tejada. We present to you our research study titled Profile Status and Promotion of Tocoran Falls in the Puerto Galera, Oriental Mindoro. Introduction, rationale of the study. The rationale of the study was to examine the profile, status, and promotion of Tocoran Falls. The objective of these are to determine the significant relationship related to the promotion, knowing the profile status and different characteristics related in Tocoran Falls as our subject today, namely to know and promote Tocoran Falls, to conduct survey and interview to gather information, to know the physical, social, and economic life of Tocoran Falls, to learn the way of promoting through the different strategies and techniques, advertising, personal selling, publicity, and self-promotion. The evaluation of gathering data can surely help to study, conduct well, and promote it in the way of other perspective. The purpose of this study are to know the tourist perception, interest, and the potential improvement have been studied to assess and address the accuracy of Tocoran Falls in the local community of San Teodoro, Oriental Mindoro. Theoretical and conceptual framework. A conceptual framework is a written or visual representation of unexpected relationship between variables. The conceptual framework is generally developed based on a literature review of existing study and theories about the topic. A conceptual framework can be designed in many different ways. The independent variable is the expected cost. The dependent variable is the expected effect or possible response or outcome variable. To visualize our expected cause and effect relationship, we will use the basic design comment of boxes and arrow. Each variable appears in a box. To indicate a causal relationship, each arrow should start from the independent variable, the cause, and the point developed variable, the effect. Factors and promotion improvement of Tocoran Falls as tourist site. Profile of Tocoran Falls, physical, social, economic. Status of Tocoran Falls in terms of facilities, attraction, activities, service, location, accessibility. Extend tourist promotion, advertising, personal selling, publicity, sales promotions. Research methodology. Descriptive design. This study, descriptive design, is defined as a research method that describes the profile, status, and promotion of Tocoran Falls that was being studied as used where data was collected from the respondent. The design always focuses more on what the research subject. The purpose of this study is gather data and information. Respondent of the study. This study was conducted in San Teodoro, Oriental Mindoro. The subject of the study composed of 200 residents and those tourists who visit the Tocoran Falls, where the respondent are 100 from Calsapa, 51 Lubang Bayan, and 49 Cogatayan, total of 200 respondents. As the study will pursue as interview scheduled type is survey, the researcher would use random sampling. The random sampling process would perform by laptop through the Microsoft Excel program. For each section, the computer would randomly choose the respondent. The study used randomly sampling in determining the sample of the study. Data gathering procedure. The data gathered were tabulated, analyzed, interpreted, and present in table type. Statistical treatment of data. To present and interpreting the data gathered from the respondent, the researcher may utilize the frequency counts. The frequency counts are a method by which the number of respondent response of occurrence of the subject of the study is determined. It is used to determine whenever the profile status in tourist promotion was computed in the mean. Descriptive statistic using mean we computed and tabulate using Microsoft Excel.
Result and discussion. Part 1, profile of Tokuram Falls in terms of physical. As you can see, we got the highest mean, lowest mean, overall mean, and description. Highest mean 3.84, lowest mean 3.62, overall mean 3.775, which is acceptable. Profile of Tokuram Falls in terms of social. Highest mean we got 3.85, lowest mean we got 3.79, overall mean 3.815, acceptable. In terms of economic, highest mean we got 3.77, lowest mean 3.74, overall mean 3.760, which is acceptable. Status of Tokuram Falls in terms of facilities, highest mean 3.68, lowest mean 3.5, overall mean 3.588, which is acceptable. Attraction 3.80, highest mean 3.81, lowest mean 3.44, overall mean 3.633, which is acceptable. Activities, highest mean 3.75, lowest mean 3.48, overall mean 3.603, acceptable. Services, highest mean we got 3.82, lowest mean 3.5, overall mean 3.665, acceptable. Location 3.7, lowest mean 3.43, overall mean 3.553, which is acceptable. Accessibility, highest mean 3.64, lowest mean 3.39, overall mean 3.518, acceptable. Result and discussion for part 3, extend tourism promotion by advertising. Highest mean we got 3.76, lowest mean 3.71, overall mean 3.733, acceptable. Personal selling, highest mean 3.79, lowest mean 3.6, overall mean 3.648, acceptable. Publicity, highest mean 3.73, lowest mean 3.58, overall mean 3.653, acceptable. Sales promotion, highest mean 3.66, lowest mean 3.47, overall mean 3.603, which is acceptable. Discussion for part 1. The study revealed that Tokuram Falls has revived area with a clean water and natural rock formation which only provoke its natural beauty. On the other hand, the result of the study shown that the factor that affect the profile of Tokuram Falls in terms of physical, social, and economic influence the genuine beauty of Tokuram Falls to attract tourists. The study revealed that Tokuram Falls was exposed to society which captivates not only local tourists but also foreign people, in which it helped to the outgrowth of economic activity of Tokuram Falls. The study concluded that the factors are significant effective to influence tourists and other customers to promote Tokuram Falls as a tourism site. The validity of this study is to significantly acceptable San Teodoro tourism. Discussion for part 2. Tokuram Falls was known as a hidden paradise of San Teodoro, which practically attraction tourists. It provoked the research to evaluate the status of Tokuram Falls of potential tourism site. The researcher revealed that the factor of potential tourism site. The researcher revealed that the factors of Tokuram Falls in terms of facilities, attraction, activity, services, location, and accessibility were significantly effective to promote as a tourism site. The respondent revealed that the status of Tokuram Falls was strongly agreed to promote its effectiveness as a potential tourism site, wherein according to the gathered data, that the validity of the status of Tokuram Falls was acceptable. Discussion for part 3. The empirical treatment of data revealed that Tokuram Falls, which is promoted as a tourism site in terms of advertising, personal selling, publicity, sales, promotion, was highly effective. The respondents strongly agreed that Tokuram Falls was undergo tourism promotion where the validity of the gathered data was significantly accepted to become a tourism site. Overall, the survey findings revealed that assumption of the researcher were the respondents and the falls itself has no significant evidence in promoting Tukuran Falls as a tourism site and promote the municipality of San Teodoro to be known. For our conclusion, based on this study, the research finds out that the promoting Tukuran Falls was highly effective to become tourism site, wherein Tukuran Falls will generate more tourists and demand to local handicraft for economic stability. They help to maintain the natural feature of Tukuran Falls together with their economical outgrowth and to be known in the society. Whereas the different factors attaining for promoting Tukuran Falls as a tourism site was very helpful to conduct this study. Factors help to know and evaluate different circumstances to attain the feasible outcome where the data gathered reveal the acceptance for the validity of this study.
As recommendation, this study is highly recommended to go with this kind of promotion status in Tukuran Falls. A research study about the effect of profile and status of Tukuran Falls to the municipality of San Teodoro must be conducted. Whereas, based on finding of the study, it will gain more tourists and generate economic stability in Tukuran Falls, in which it will offer opportunities for those residents of Kalsapa to get extra income. Other recommendations as follows. Maintain the natural beauty of Tukuran Falls by applying Clean and Green program. Adopt the 3 R's for enhancing the beauty of Tukuran Falls. Put appropriate trash bins with label on it, like biodegradable, non-biodegradable, and plastic bottles. Put signage from those hazardous angles of Tukuran Falls, such as slippery area with those big rock formation and deep part of the falls. Provide safety gears and equipment always to prevent unnecessary incidents. Other recommendation. Based on the conclusion that there are something that can be used as recommended are: number 1, maintain the cleanliness of the tourist site, the diversity of attraction, regional security, quality of roads, public transport affordability, driving direction to the location, the capacity of parking lot security, and the officers' capability and courtesy in handling of tourists, as well as officer courtesy while in waterfall area. Number 2, improving the cleanliness of facilities, improving the condition of information center, increase the availability of trash, the presence of souvenir shops, and increase officers' willingness to help in time of trouble. Number 3, increase the number of colleagues to fully accommodate the tourists. Same.